Here's a question I get all the time. What is a credit coach and how do they help consumers? And quite simply, think of a credit coach for a consumer the same way you think of a fitness coach for you at the gym. You could do it yourself, but I look around the gym all the time and I see the ones who are working with a trainer and I see the ones who aren't, and it's pretty easy to tell the difference. Hi, I'm Jeff Walker, and I'm the co-founder and CEO of CredEvolv. And today, I'd like to introduce you to the concept of a credit coach and give you a couple of reasons why you should work with CredEvolv to get access for your consumers to our credit coaches. First, credit coaches on the CredEvolv platform have the highest standard of expertise. They're all nonprofit certified by HUD. And that means they're experts not only in credit counseling, but they're experts in financial management and housing issues. And they provide a one-stop shop for consumers who don't qualify for your programs. And they work to return those consumers on average in 5 months and as few as 3 months. Second, they act in the best interest of your customer. They're incredibly empathetic, but they also have sort of a commercial mentality. They know that it's important to solve issues as quickly as possible for consumers, but also to educate them so that those consumers achieve not just access to your product, but credit well-being for life. And last, this is really important, they make loan officers and lenders look like heroes to consumers. At the moment that those consumers are at their very lowest emotional point, they've been declined for your product, you've referred them to the counselor, that counselor begins them on their journey to credit well-being, and then they return them to the LO as an annuity for the loan officer. In many cases, the loan officer may not even remember that they had referred a consumer to one of our counselors. They make you look like heroes. So please reach out, text, call, email. I'd love to figure out a way that we can help you today.